I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel and home for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And once again, Reality Latest don come with another latest. We now don come with breaking news. We don come with updates. We now get reports for table wey we go like share give the general public. And the cocoa be say the governor of Edo State, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, don come outside dey yarn dey give men wey dey for inside Edo State and men wey dey for inside with nation Nigeria. Say the federal government, in collaboration with the Edo State government, don set up a fact-finding committee to look into the circumstances wey dey surround the recent RIP of some hunters for inside Uromi, Edo State. The Edo State governor now dey yarn say they don put together men wey go torchlight the barbecue incident wey play for inside Uromi, as men now go mistake hunters to be kidnappers and barbecue come board. Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State now dey yarn this one dey give men on Thursday, wey be the 10th day of April, so for inside this year wey be 2025. And in dey talk am when he receive a high-powered delegation from Kano State. And this high-powered delegation wey I just yarn about, e dey led by the deputy governor of Kano State, and dey go by the name Comrade Aminu Abdulsalam Gwarzo. This delegation so now wey come from Kano State, they just ride straight to go the government house for inside Benin City, where they go see Governor Monday Okpebholo, and they begin to discuss things. And as they do their normal politics on thing, the governor of the state, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, come stand up the yarn, say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, man we get ambition to be president of our nation again for inside the year 2027. He said that our president no dey happy at all, sake of the things and things we play for inside Uromi, sake of the barbecue incident. And right now, our president is very much determined to ensure that Edo State and we nation Nigeria is safe for everybody to live in and to even do business. According to how the talk take come aside from the mouth of Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State, he said the barbecue incident don open their eyes and they are very much ready to address a lot of issues about the country and how to make life better for everybody wey dey for inside the country. And our president is not happy at all. He no like wetin happen for Uromi, Edo State, and he want to make sure say those kind incidents no happen again. He know very well say that no be the first time, but he want to make sure say that na the last time wey men go barbecue men for inside we nation Nigeria. He now dey assure the general public say our president personally want to see to the end of this issue. And he will be the governor want to also let men know say the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Edo State government don set up a committee to find out the remote causes of the incident and put a lasting solution to the issue. Now this matter no be just about Uromi again. They want to make sure say that kind of levels no happen at all for any other state for inside we nation. So they want to find out the things and things will lead to the crisis. They want to find out the things and things will lead to the barbecue incident, so that they go fit dey prevent am and no be lie. Men talk say prevention is better pass cure. Still for inside the meeting for inside the Edo State government house, the governor of the state, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, comes dey yarn say this report now wey men don submit will actually help them. And also the deputy governor of Kano State comes dey let men dey know say the governor of Kano State don also set up a committee to screen and verify and last establish the names plus numbers plus next of kins and those men wey survive the attack. He say them now don do the needful and they have been able to carry out all these activities. And they have been able to carry out all these activities, and now they don't come up with a report wey last they don't come Edo State to come submit give His Excellency the governor of Edo State. And they do all these levels because say Governor Monday Okpebholo promised them say justice will last be done, and then believe in Senator Monday Okpebholo. Then believe say Mr. Governor go do the right thing. The deputy comes dey yarn say they need a transparent process on the issue. 16 people now don bear RIP. 16 people now don bear RIP from 5 local government areas of Kano State. This na wetin the deputy dey yarn dey give the governor, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo. And this my good people now how the meeting it take play for inside the Edo State government house. Now the men wey plaster, the men wey answer present during the visit as the high delegation come from Kano State, na the deputy governor of Edo State, wey be Honorable Dennis Idahosa, plus the speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, wey be Honorable Blessing Abebako, plus security heads there for inside Edo State, plus senior government officials both from Kano and Edo State and many others. And now my good people mo no forget say after the barbecue incident, as men now for inside Uromi mistake hunters to be kidnappers, and last things can't happen. The governor of Edo State, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo, carry men follow body go Kano State to go appeal give the governor of the state and the community where those men bear RI0US dem come from. And also Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State and delegation from Kano dem still visit Uromi where the barbecue incident for happen, and for there dem also meet with members of Hausa community for the area. The purpose of all these visits normally na to call for peace and calms, make men now no come go dey retaliate, make men now no come dey cause more violence for inside the state. Normally many know say e reach to cause fight, many know say e reach to retaliate, but last violence no be the answer. And based on how government now take follow up the matter, many see reasons to thank God say the matter no escalate, things no get out of hand. Meanwhile, as of the time wey the matter be still dey hot, as of the time wey the incident be newly plastered for inside Uromi for Edo State, the leading opposition party wey be the People's Democratic Party, dem also condemn the barbecue incident, and also dem come dey yarn dey give our presido say sake of this barbecue incident and every other insecurity challenges now wey men don face so far for inside Edo State, e go good make im plaster state of emergency. See Rivers State wey be say men now dey complain of crisis, but their crisis no compare to the ones wey dey happen for inside Edo State. Port Harcourt crisis na level 1 for where Edo State crisis dem dey, but our presido don declare state of emergency. But for inside Edo State, kidnappings dey happen almost on a weekly, men dey bear RI0US almost on a weekly, and that na more than enough reasons for our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu to declare state of emergency. And even as the Edo State Police Command dey promise to do the needful, even as dem now dey try, their efforts no dey enough to counter the things, to counter the insecurity challenges wey dey happen for inside the state. This my good people na few of the many talk wey the People's Democratic Party be yarn about the barbecue incident wey happen for inside Uromi for Edo State. But last my good people, even as dem yarn finish, our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu no even give them listening ear. The presidency itself no even respond to the People's Democratic Party as they call for a state of emergency. But no matter the matter, my good people, as this na the information wey I wan share give the general public, I believe say many men go get things to talk about. So no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, na we be Reality Latest Gist, and our hobby na to dey give una latest news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country so wey be Nigeria. Now if you be say you gbadu this update, if you be say you like this news so and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to Reality Latest Gist, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more latest dey come your side, na you go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. And also no forget to dey share the news, give your family and friends, make them too also know wetin dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. Make them follow get updates on the things wey dey play for inside Edo State. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more reports, me dey come back with more information for you my good people. Try make e no go anywhere.